Hello viewers, welcome to the 042 Crypto YouTube channel. Today, we will be talking about the latest news in the crypto sector. Before we proceed, let's outline the salient highlights in this video. Lawmakers push back on crypto provisions in infrastructure bill. Fidelity clears the regulatory hurdle to becoming Canada's first institutional Bitcoin custodian. India to reduce GST paid on cryptocurrency exchanges from 18% to 1% through regulatory reclassification. Angelenos push back on new Crypto.com arena, it will always be the Staples Center. Polychain Capital leads Anoma Network's $26 million raise. Small-cap altcoins stage a recovery as Bitcoin traders aim to recapture $60,000. Fed Governor Waller praises stablecoins as a genuine innovation that makes the development of CBDCs redundant. Ethereum Layer 2 developer StarkWare valued at $2 billion following $50 million raise. Acting OCC head calls for consolidated supervision for crypto firms. Portal partners with Polygon to advance DeFi on Bitcoin. Blockchain unicorn ConsenSys valued at $3.2 billion following $200 million raise. BlockFi faces SEC's probe over several high-yield crypto accounts. KuCoin Exchange launches a $100 million fund to join Metaverse frenzy. Theta price analysis, price reaches $6.54 height as bulls secure win. MetaMask user base grows by 420%. Filecoin price analysis, Phil still holds above $55. Swift reversal to follow? Sandbox price analysis, Sand token price retests the all-time high resistance of $3.25. GRT price analysis, the price is taking support on the 50 MA. Will we see a trend reversal from the bulls? PancakeSwap price analysis, after a huge bearish run, will the bulls make a comeback, or will the trend continue? If you're new to the 042 Crypto YouTube channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on new crypto expert videos. Lawmakers object to crypto measures in the infrastructure bill. Lawmakers on both sides of the aisle protest changes to tax reporting procedures for cryptocurrency brokers and transactions worth more than $10,000 included in the recently enacted infrastructure bill. 10 Democratic members of Congress, led by Representative Darren Soto of Florida, have called for changes to the definition of a broker in the infrastructure package signed into law on November 15. Soto, along with Representatives Ro Khanna, Stacey E. Plaskett, Eric Swalwell, Tim Ryan, Susan Wild, Mark Veazey, Jake Auchincloss, Al Lawson, and Charlie Crist, published an open letter pushing for revisions to Section 6045C(1) of the tax law under the Bipartisan Infrastructure Framework, BIF. Fidelity has overcome regulatory obstacles to become Canada's first institutional Bitcoin custodian. According to the Globe and Mail, Fidelity Clearing Canada gained authorization from the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada to start a Bitcoin, BTC, trading and custody platform on Wednesday. It is intended for use by institutional investors such as pension funds, portfolio managers, and mutual funds and would be the country's first of its sort. With its regulatory file for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund and mutual fund submitted earlier this week, the firm also intends to cater to regular investors. Through regulatory reclassification, India would lower the 18% GST paid on Bitcoin exchanges to 1%. According to CNBC TV 18 India, the government intends to redefine cryptocurrency exchanges as e-commerce platforms, lowering the goods and services tax, GST, customers must pay per transaction or trade to 1%. The Indian government currently levies an 18% GST on transactions made on licensed cryptocurrency exchanges, which is passed on to customers as trading costs. The procedure is comparable to the tax protocol used by India's stock brokerages. Angelenos push back on new Crypto.com arena, it will always be the Staples Center. Los Angeles residents, sports lovers, and social media personalities are mocking Crypto.com's ambitions to rebrand the city's Staples Center for marketing purposes. The Staples Center, a multi-purpose arena that has long housed the Los Angeles Clippers, Lakers, and other prominent sports organizations, is set to be renamed the Crypto.com Arena on December 25. This follows a $700 million arrangement in which the platform will own the branding rights for the next 20 years. However, since its inception in 1999, the facility has been referred to as the Staples Center, and fans do not appear to want Crypto.com or onlookers to forget this fact when the transition occurs. Polychain Capital is the principal investor in Anoma Network's $26 million funding round. Anoma Network, a private bartering blockchain, has secured $26 million, 24 million Swiss francs, from some of the cryptocurrency's largest venture funds to rethink the age-old practice of selling products without using money. The funds will be used to enhance Anoma Network's proof-of-stake blockchain, which is intended to ease private transactions through asset-agnostic bartering. Bartering is the exchange of products and services for other goods and services without using money as a medium of exchange. Small-cap altcoins are staging a comeback as Bitcoin traders seek to reclaim $60,000. On November 17, the grid of Bitcoin, BTC, holders was put to the test as several efforts to drive the price down to $59,000 and below grew. Bulls have successfully defended this level, but analysts are waiting for the $63,000 level to be regained as support before declaring the dip over. Stablecoins, according to Fed Governor Waller, are a genuine innovation that renders the creation of CBDCs obsolete. Federal Reserve Governor Christopher J. Waller repeated his pessimism about implementing a central bank digital currency, or CBDC, in the United States in a speech released at noon on Wednesday. On the other hand, Waller is not your average cryptocurrency skeptic, citing the growth of actual private sector payment innovations, notably stablecoins, as the reason why CBDCs are unnecessary. StarkWare, an Ethereum Layer 2 developer, has been valued at $2 billion following a $50 million funding round. On Tuesday, Israel-based StarkWare said on Twitter that it had raised $50 million in a Series C fundraising round, bringing the company's valuation to $2 billion. Among others, Sequoia Capital was the major investor. StarkWare got $75 million in Series B fundraising headed by Paradigm 7 months ago. The acting OCC chairman has called for crypto companies to be subject to centralized monitoring. Michael Hsu, the acting director of the United States Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, intends to close gaps in the oversight of cryptocurrency enterprises. Portal collaborates with Polygon to enhance Bitcoin DeFi. Portal, a decentralized exchange and self-custody wallet platform, has announced a strategic cooperation deal with Layer 2 blockchain network Polygon to enhance Bitcoin functionality in the DeFi market. Portal now provides fully decentralized on-chain spot and options trading, as well as peer-to-peer lending and borrowing. This collaboration is planned to broaden these user capabilities by enabling zero-knowledge swap functionality for WBTC/BTC, POS/WBTC to BTC, and Polygon operating a liquidity-supporting node on Portal DEX. ConsenSys, a blockchain unicorn, has been valued at $3.2 billion following a $200 million financing. After finishing a $200 million investment round, blockchain infrastructure company ConsenSys has hit a high valuation of $3.2 billion, joining over a dozen other crypto-focused startups to achieve coveted unicorn status this year alone. Several new investors, including Marshall Wace, Third Point, and Think Investments, joined current investors such as Dragonfly Capital, Electric Capital, Spartan Group, Coinbase Ventures, HSBC, DeFi Capital and Animoca Brands in the $200 million financing round. BlockFi is being investigated by the SEC in connection with multiple high-yield cryptocurrency accounts. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is investigating BlockFi, SEC. The crypto lending company is under investigation due to its large number of interest-holding accounts. BlockFi has gained popularity as a result of its products. It creates multiple accounts for users that earn up to 9.5%. Banks only offer 0.06% per year. Furthermore, a cryptocurrency savings account is not insured by the government. The competent authorities, however, provide insurance coverage for bank savings. KuCoin Exchange announces a $100 million fund to participate in the metaverse frenzy. KuCoin Exchange has announced the creation of a $100 million metaverse fund to aid in developing and funding early-stage metaverse companies. This is because most businesses are still involved in metaverse's construction. Protocols from GameFi, NFTs, decentralized infrastructure, and others would also be incubated on the platform. Analysis of the Theta price: as the bulls triumph, the price rises to $6.54. During the previous 24 hours, the Theta US dollar exchange rate has risen. The bulls have managed to break through the bearish pressure and push the price above $6.54. On the other hand, the cryptocurrency has suffered a loss in the last 4 hours, implying that the coming hours may be unprofitable. MetaMask's user base has increased by 420%. With digital assets experiencing tremendous gains in recent months, traders are joining the market searching for large returns. As a result, Exchanges have seen a significant increase in users over the last few months. Aside from exchanges, wallet service providers are noticing an increase in their customer base. ConsenSys continue to go on despite a poor spell regarding who will take management of the company. According to a recent upgrade, the MetaMask wallet's user base has increased by 420%. This means that the total number of users who utilize the wallet each month is around 21 million. Filecoin price analysis, FIL remains above $55. Will a quick reversal occur? Today's Filecoin price analysis is positive, as bears are fatigued following yesterday's severe rejection for the negative. As a result, FIL/USD is projected to reverse following the present sluggish retracement. Sandbox price analysis, the SAND token price retests its all-time high resistance level of $3.25. The SAND token price displayed a spectacular surge in its technical chart, with the $3.25 level representing the new all-time high for this token. Furthermore, the price was rejected from this level by an evening star pattern, indicating the start of a replacement phase. The $2.28 mark provided adequate demand pressure for the SAND price, allowing the token to continue its ascent. The price has now reached the above barrier and is preparing to attempt a second breakout. Price analysis for GRT, the price is finding support at the 50-day moving average. Will we see a bullish trend reversal? At the time of writing, the trading volume of the Graph token in the previous 24 hours is up by 21%. At the time of writing, the GRT/BTC and GRT/ETH exchange rates were 0.00001516 BTC and 0.00021666 ETH, respectively. The price has broken through the support of the 20 MA and is now testing the support of the 50 MA. PancakeSwap price analysis, will the bulls make a return after a massive bearish run, or will the trend continue? At the time of writing, the trading volume of Cake tokens in the last 24 hours was plus 87%. At the time of writing, Cake/BTC and Cake/ETH are 0.000279 BTC and 0.004007 ETH, respectively. The price is seeing resistance at the 20 MA. That will be all on crypto news today. Thanks for watching this video. We are open to suggestions. Kindly drop your comments in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to the 042 Crypto YouTube channel for everything crypto every day. See you in the next video.